When the British took over Lagos colony, they wanted to extend their dominion to other parts of the country. But the Ijebu did not allow them. Until they decided to wage war against Ijebu. And that was the Magbon War of 1892.
Àwọn Yorùbá máa sọ pé ẹṣin ló ní Ìjẹ̀bú, Ìjẹ̀bú ló lẹṣin.
Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ ìlú Ìjẹ̀bú nìkan tó ti kọjá sọ́nà òkè lọ́hùn.
Àwọn fìlà Ìjẹ̀bú oríṣiríṣi.
Ilé ni aláṣọ òkè ń jókòó sí tó kùkùn wọlé wá bá.
Tó bá fẹ́ wo latest dressing, wá sójúde ọba.
In the last 10 years, there have been a competition of the horsemen, and the Kuku family have won at least 8 in a row. The other 2, they were disqualified because of bad belly.
Wà lọ bá kábíyèsí pé àwọn ọlọ́jà àná a fẹ́ máa take part nínú Ojúde Ọba.
Just by knowing the Egbe that person belongs to, you know that either it's àbúrò mi àbí it's ẹ̀gbọ́n mi.
My dad used to tell me, prince and princesses don't ride in Ojúde Ọba. That we're meant to sit down and watch the Balogons and the Eleshins perform.
And everyone has someone to stand up to hold their family name, and I'm doing just that.
Out of the 14 things that my family has to do every year for Ojúde Ọba, I think I'm in charge of 9.
Before you leave the house, you are armed. You are armed with all sort of things, sword, gun, and all that, because it's more like a war.
Ìjẹ̀bú Òde is ever ready for anything at all. We are also willing láti wá disturb festival. I
look forward to everybody coming around as one.
He became a king that we're all proud of. And we're proud to call ourselves Ijebu sons and daughters.